Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Nissan Murano door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a small flathead screwdriver, a 10 mm socket, and a plastic panel pry tool. For safety and ease, lower the window all the way down and open the door fully. Next, carefully pry out the small plastic trim piece located behind the door opener handle. Then, gently lift the window switch panel and disconnect its electrical harness by pressing the release tab. Now, let's tackle the hidden fasteners. Use your 10 mm socket to remove the bolt found behind the door opener handle. There are often additional 10 mm bolts or Phillips head screws concealed within the armrest or door pull areas. Take your time to locate all of these. It's crucial that every fastener is removed to prevent damage when detaching the panel. Double-check all potential hiding spots for these screws. With all fasteners removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Insert your panel pry tool between the bottom edge of the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently but firmly pry outwards to release the plastic clips along the bottom and sides. Once the clips are free, carefully pull the entire door panel away. Remember to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, like the courtesy step light, and detach the two door handle cables from the handle assembly. For reassembly, first, ensure any plastic clips that stayed in the door frame are reattached to the door panel. Next, reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cables. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, ensuring the top edge seats correctly. Then, firmly press along the bottom and sides to engage all the plastic clips. Finally, reinstall all the screws and trim pieces in the reverse order of removal, making sure everything is snug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.